How to stretch videos in CapCut. Stretching videos on CapCut is a very simple process. So watch this video carefully. First, launch CapCut and select the video that you would like to basically stretch like this. Once you've selected a video, split the video within a certain segment that you want to stretch. So let's say I want to stretch from this point starting. I'll select that and tap on split, and I want to stop this stretch around somewhere over here, and I'll just split it over here. This middle portion is the part that I want to stretch. Meanwhile, this one I'll just drag towards the right hand side or somewhere like that. So this middle part is something that I want to stretch. So this is the normal speed currently, you can see, and I want this particular part to stretch. So to basically do that, select that particular portion. From the bottom you can see various options. Look for the one that says speed. When you tap on speed, you can see normal speed. So tap on normal speed. So currently it is on 1x, and if you want to stretch it or to slow it down, you can simply slow it down all the way to the bottom like this. Now when you go ahead and then play this particular portion, you can see it is in a much slower motion than the previous one. So that way I have just stretched that particular option. So I can also reduce the values or increase the values based on whatever I prefer in this case. Then I can tap this arrow button to save the changes. So this middle portion has stretched successfully. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.